Hey everyone, it's Linda with What's Linda Cooking. This month it is Shelftember. What is Shelftember? It is using what you have in your house and using it up instead of buying other things. You might need to buy some more food, obviously, some milk, some eggs, things like that. But if you have it in your freezer, you have it on your pantry shelf, you have it in your refrigerator, use it up because it's very expensive to be throwing food away. So today, we're starting with this turkey breast. Take a look. Okay, so we're doing the roast turkey. My first thing that I'm going to do is I've got my oven on 350. I've got my new stainless steel cookware, and I just have some bacon fat in it, don't judge me. And I've got some cubed potatoes. So how I do is my pivoting peeler. I love this. This is just so easy. You can use it this way, but you can also turn this and use it this way. So I love both. Oh, I'm doing it wrong. Do it the wrong way. So you can do it either way. And actually, I'm more comfortable the other way, but we're just gonna do it this way because I've always been more comfortable with that straight way. That's why I started with it. But it has this little thing right here to take out these little imperfections. So I like that. And I'm okay if there is some skin still on. My mother-in-law would go crazy when there was extra stuff on. I'm gonna move this aside like that. I'm actually gonna turn this over because I got some dirt on the board. So I'm gonna wash this and then we're going to just kind of wedge it. And I've got my wedger here and we're just going to it's gonna move on me because it's not completely straight. So I'm just gonna put it this way then. You know what? You just kind of work within it. And I'm just gonna go like this. There we go. And here's my wedges. So we're just gonna put that in. And let's see if we can do this one like that. This one might work like this. And I am a weakling, so I gotta do that. So we've got these, and I have a lot of potatoes. Remember, there's only 2 of us eating, but I got a lot of potatoes because the leftovers will probably be, I will probably make chicken pot pie because my husband loves it. And for me, I'm not gonna use this whole onion. I'm actually gonna use just that much. And I'm gluten-free, and my husband loves chicken pot pie, so I will be doing it with the chicken pot pie, and as a gluten-free. And I'll also be using one of our new tools. So come back tomorrow when I make that. So we got the onion in here, and I just have these baby carrots. I'm just gonna throw those in there. It's just easier, just to kind of throw them in. And I'm gonna move you a little bit in just a minute. And I am gonna make a tomato salad also, just kind of on the side, because I have tomatoes. So I might as well use them up. So we'll have that. And I think that's gonna be enough of the carrots. So let me move this right here. That should be enough. Salt, pepper, all of the stuff that I need. This is my salt grinder. I also have a pepper grinder. But I don't have a lot of peppercorns in it. So I'm just gonna use it. And I just kind of do this. And I'm gonna need more of this because I'm gonna have my turkey in here. And then I'm gonna get another spice. You know what I could do? I have fresh basil. Even better. Not fresh, I've got some dried that I dried on my own. So we're gonna put this. This is our garlic, crispy garlic. So I'm gonna put this. It makes a nice, almost like a little bit of it's got a little bit of a kick to it. And so that's why I like it. And then I'm gonna use this French onion dip. I like this a lot too. So we're gonna put that on it. It's one of my favorite seasonings. So we're gonna put that. And then, hold on. I've got this hanging there. And this is just dried. Oh, I'm gonna have to, it's not completely dry. So let's see. I'm gonna have to, and it's got such a great fragrance. So I have it hanging with elastic bands actually, because it will dry and then I will have it all year long. And some people freeze it. I just wanted to dry it. So I'm gonna put that over here. So we've got that. So there you go. We've got that stuff. Now, I've got I gotta get that out without, wow, here we go. And I've got my, anywhere, it's probably gonna take an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. I'm counting on about 2 hours that this is gonna take. And that's fine because, and I might have to move this to the other side to get everything really seasoned. I want this to be seasoned. Now these are in the freezer. I got these from Price Right. They were 29 cents a pound. Each one of these was literally, I'm gonna say, it was literally $2, less than $2 for each one, because they were 29 cents a pound. So really inexpensive meat. And this will feed Michael and I for quite a while. So now I'm gonna turn this just like that. Wash my hands again. Now. That, and we've got this, and it's just going to give it a really nice flavor. And like I said, this is going to roast for quite a while. There we go. And I got somebody cutting grass outside, so you're hearing that because I have my windows open, my doors open. So this is going to go in for, like I said, about 2 hours. And what I love about this is, I was gonna put some olive oil, but I think I'm good. What I love about this is it's just gonna go in there. And this is my skillet, and it comes with a lid. I love this because I can use it in the oven too. So this is like a great tool used on top of the stove, in the oven, underneath the broiler, and it's all stainless. So I like that. So I'm gonna do about 2 hours, and then we're gonna come back. Yeah! Okay, so for my onion, I'm just gonna store this in my prep bowls. These come 1 cup, 2 cups, and 3 cups. I'm just gonna store these in my refrigerator so when I need it, I'll have it. I love this little utensil scrubber. You just put your soap in and it just cleans it really nice. I love this. Ooh, that looks good. Put on my Pampered Chef gloves. Get out my turkey. And I'll show you what we got. Ta-da! This is meal number 1. We're going to be cutting this up and having it with potatoes and then a salad, a little tomato salad. And this is meal number 1, and we'll show you meal number 2 tomorrow night. Yeah.